do you have to be acting like a thug?
Oh, okay, so...
Exactly for the reason you're thinking, we made Chick-fil-A sauce jerky. You know what?
We'll be the first.
We'll be the first.
We just made the first ever Chick-fil-A sauce
jerky.
Honestly, I love Chick-fil-A, and I love their sauce, so I'm super excited to be able to
We
make
don't
this
have the sauce here.
Well...
Keon, Jesus Christ, Keon. This just skid the out in the work parking lot. Literally big chilling in this car. He pulls out like a goddamn.
Well, I won't be crazy. I won't do anything crazy.
I wish I could believe him. Road. You said to me,
oh, my fault.
You would be calm.
My fault.
Oh my God, I'm gonna die. We're making Chick-fil-A sauce jerky from the hospital today.
Okay, this is gonna be weird, but I need like a bag of sauce, like Chick-fil-A sauce. Yeah.
Like the little ones?
Yeah.
As much Chick-fil-A sauce as we can pay for, pretty much.
Why do you guys need so many?
We're making beef jerky, and we're gonna use the sauce as like the main ingredient.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It goes well with everything.
It does.
We're about to find out. He's edging his car, dude.
Don't say that.
Dude, you're like you're edging your car.
Nope. Editor, cut that.
You are the editor.
NASCAR driver, Weldon.
You're a car driver.
Weldon. I'm a NASCAR driver. NASCAR, sponsor me, bro. I can drive NASCAR, please.
Anyone can drive. It's about doing it safe.
I can drive, Weldon. It's about filling the car. It's about becoming the car, Weldon. It's about...
God, you have so much ADHD when you're in a car. This is like the one time you need to focus in your life, Keon.
Did you say focus?
No, shut the f up.
Bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum,
At least no one's
bum,
behind
bum,
you, so you're not being
bum, bum. There's a cop.
Thank God for the officers of the law. As soon as we get out of this car, I'm kissing the ground. It's gonna be like an astronaut coming home from space.
That's why it's...
You're not in a NASCAR, dude. Why are you warming up your wheels? Took us 20 minutes, but we got Chick-fil-A sauce and we're back.
All right, so we're here the next day. Weldon's never gonna ride in another car with me again, but
traumatic experience.
we got the sauce, so.
A little bit of a heart attack and a major bit of a hospitalization.
Dun, 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 dun. Bowl.
The sauce.
All right, so now you're gonna wanna mix the jerky straight into the sauce. Make sure you're using everything. Everything is just soaked up in that stuff. I'm telling you, this is how you do it right here, from a professional.
From a professional. I'm sure you're so professional, Keon. I got you. Just give me a second.
Okay. Well, a little more.
This is 26 ounces of Chick-fil-A sauce.
I think we got enough.
Pour it in together.
Pour it in. I don't think this stuff pours.
No.
very well.
Okay. 3,
Yeah.
2, squeeze. Ooh.
There we go. Oh, almost lost some.
Got a regular spoon.
Should I be a little spoon?
I've made jerky once before.
The amount of times I've watched them make jerky were professional.
Oh yeah. It's a.
Like,
What would you
I'm not
consider
even
Joey
joking.
in this? Would he be a really good
He's
boss?
a good boss. I'll give it to him. He's a good
I wouldn't
boss.
call him a tyrant. Call him an asshole. That way he knows I'm not goofing
Hey, Bosh,
off
you
while
watched
he's
the
gone.
new video? Yeah, it was great.
Did you like the part where I called you an asshole? Huh?
Yeah, it was good. Keep on making.
Yeah, I love being publicly degraded.
Huh? That word was very close to another word.
Degraded.
Okay, all right. I want to make sure it didn't start with an S. 1 8-ounce bottle of Chick-fil-A sauce.
1 8-ounce bottle of Chick-fil-A sauce.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh, we're crossing streams.
Dang, oh my gosh, I didn't realize. Definitely think we overdid this one.
No, we didn't get enough.
I think we could have used this for the office.
No, we couldn't have.
Definitely think we could have used these bottles for the office.
Everyone else is allergic to Chick-fil-A sauce.
I think we had enough. I don't know why we did this. Now I kind of feel like a horrible human being. Who's gonna
I'm just gonna shake.
shake it off?
Okay.
Oh, looks like gelatin.
It does kind of look like
Oh
a
my
pie
gosh.
filling or a Jello, and I hate that.
After completely emptying 26 ounces of Chick-fil-A sauce, I think we have enough. Weldon,
Yeah, it was good.
retrieve the meat.
I've got 3 pounds of the finest beef.
Here we go. Oh. All right. Meat in Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oddly appetizing. Every meat processing factory needs to have like a gallon bucket of Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh, I never thought I'd put my hand into a jar of
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A. Oh.
He's moving this bowl so bad.
Oh, my hands are freezing. You just want to make sure you get all the sides marinated with Chick-fil-A sauce and you get your wedding ring covered in Chick-fil-A sauce.
I
Smells
wonder
like-
how expensive that ring was versus how expensive it is now.
No, it's gained value. Chick-fil-A sauce is very valuable.
You look like you're having PTSD warfare.
Yeah.
Make sure you're really getting in there and coating all surfaces with the marinade, no matter what marinade you're using. You have to wait till we finish the recipe.
I'm going to go wash my hands.
You can look them clean.
Nope.
Once you're done, put it in the fridge for 24 to 48 hours to properly marinate and get all the flavor. Since we make this stuff commercially, we have vacuum tumblers. Pick this up and we just pour this in. Sounds like a bathroom trip to me.
You good?
Why is it? It says it's finished, but no, it's not. Hold on.
I think Weldon should still ask how to do this.
Nope. I'm a strong, independent man.
Yes, chef.
Thank you.
But he's still not asking for help.
It's fine. It's just the vacuum.
So when he messes up this equipment, I will key myself out of this whole video.
It's not vacuuming.
Oh, there we go. Now he asked for help.
I'm not asking for help.
This
It's
is
because
great.
you're literally saying, if this is broken, I'm gonna be gone.
And now a guest star, Matt. Weldon's pride is
vacuum
hurt.
is in there. Or you could have just let me figure it out myself. You couldn't let me be independent. No, you have. Doug and Joey are always doing this. You gotta really shake this bad boy.
Okay, Weldon, I think you're good.
Whew.
I think he's
Just had some. Just imagine Keon's head was this thing. There's a wall right there, and just.
maybe he's not.
All right, it has been 30
We're
minutes.
back.
It has been 30 minutes.
Oh.
The freshly marinated jerky.
This thing is vacuum sealed. I will tell you that.
I mean, how can you tell?
I just can tell.
How can you tell?
I can tell. I can tell, Weldon.
tell?
Just let me tell. This thing's vacuum sealed. I can tell. It feels like a condensed dwarf star.
It is not a condensed dwarf star. First of all, it's a dwarf star.
It's a collapsing black hole. I can feel the energy, like, you know, like collapsing in on itself. I can feel the pressure in it. From the outside.
Yeah.
I can tell.
He's so.
All right,
intelligent.
you ready?
All right, yeah, yeah.
That was sick.
It smells like Chick-fil-A and meat.
Ooh. All right, man. That is a strong smell. Chick-fil-A, you're doing it right.
All right, now that this has been vacuum tumbled and freshly marinated,
Take a look at that beef jerky. That is marinated in Chick-fil-A sauce. Time to rack this bad boy up.
Okay.
It was.
I should get used to it. I'm touching the meat all day.
Pause.
Got all the time. No, we want a big piece. Oh, that is a big piece. Oh. The key to racking jerky meat is to make sure nothing is folded over on itself and none of the pieces are touching.
That thing is a chunker.
It's dripping. It is drippy. All right. All right, let's get that next piece. Gosh, this
is a marinated piece of jerky right there.
It is more than marinated. This thing has been well loved.
If you've ever wondered if Chick-fil-A sauce goes on everything, we're about to find out.
All right, we're gonna start racking this bad boy in there. I do need another rack. Thank you, rack assistant.
One rack, please.
I can get.
That's a dark piece right there.
You got a problem with that?
Yeah, I do.
Why do you have a problem with that?
Just looks different. One rack, please.
Every time, Keon, every time.
Like you can see the tendons.
It's
and stuff in
literally
that thing.
pulled apart. But you know,
one rack, please.
Okay. I can just be silly
about
willy
that
with
one?
this. Thirsty?
Nope.
Bottoms up. All right, so we're gonna leave this in here for 4 to 6 hours at 150 degrees, and we're gonna check back in about 4 hours just to make sure it's all going well, and if not, we'll let you know and we'll bump up that time.
We'll see you guys tomorrow for the taste test. So I just learned that we used way too much Chick-fil-A sauce.
Still not enough.
This meat is absolutely, like, it's got a full sheet of glaze on it. Like,
It's considered edible in most states.
yeah, I think it's time to try it.
All right.
Like me and Weldon said earlier, we looked this up. Nobody has ever made Chick-fil-A jerky.
I'm starting
ever.
to find out why.
So, so we're about to be the first ones to try it.
So let's go for it.
Weldon?
Yeah. Are you thinking the same
I
thing?
don't taste the Chick-fil-A sauce.
Well, I'm getting it. Just not a lot.
It doesn't.
I feel like somehow.
It tastes like beef.
I was gonna say, I feel like somehow in the process of trying to make jerky, dehydrated beef, we made wet beef. And that's the flavor. I don't hate it.
The Chick-fil-A sauce taste is gone.
I can tell you one thing, very soft and tender.
Yeah.
Probably too soft and tender.
I thought this was gonna be like super strong. I'm not pulling out too much Chick-fil-A sauce, so let's grab a couple more people in here and see what they think. Should we tell them it's Chick-fil-A, or should we let them guess? Try to.
The
guess
odds
what
are
it
they
is?
already know, but I want them to guess if they don't.
What's up, Bruce? How you doing?
Oh, I was good until just this moment.
It's the tiniest.
Oh my gosh.
I always smell first to kind of get a better idea of the flavor. If you said you couldn't taste the Chick-fil-A sauce, because that's all I'm catching right now.
Really?
Maybe he got a really glazed one. This is the first batch of jerky me and Wilden have ever made in our lives, so.
We can tell. There's no doubt. And I don't even know if you actually made jerky. Or if you just made really, really, really well done beef. You guys shouldn't be in the kitchen. Just throwing it out there.
We're hurt. We're hurt chefs.
I'm crying.
The amount of times I've watched them make jerky, I'm a professional.
You're barely even a professional content creator, let alone a professional chef.
That's crazy! Blow this video up! Blow this video up! Well, unfortunately, I think we learned that Chick-fil-A sauce does not go with everything. I'm a little sad. I wanted this one to be good, but hey, Weldon was in here. He's the one that hey, what's up, Weldon? How you doing? Adam, what is up? How you doing, brother? Doing all right? You don't know what we made?
Then we're
All
gonna
right.
Guess what it is.
Well, we're gonna have you try this piece and let us know what you think it is. Now, you're trying this under your own discretion.
Yes.
Make him
Okay.
sign the waiver.
That's a verbal waiver.
I don't know what y'all are up to.
It's not good.
But there's still not much flavor at all.
Yeah. No, I
It's
didn't.
like I'm eating just plain jerky.
That is exactly what I said when I tried it. I tried this.
Just a plain meat flavor.
Yeah, it's like
That's all
not.
it
It's
is.
not
like
salty. It's not. It tastes unseasoned. It's just unseasoned.
Yeah, basically it's
jerky.
Like it didn't even marinate.
What if I told you we over marinated this by an insane amount in Chick-fil-A sauce?
I taste no Chick-fil-A sauce. Not one bit.
We had 26 ounces of Chick-fil-A sauce in a deal, and we just marinated it in. No.
No.
I'm
Yeah.
breaking God's laws.
All right. Thank you, Adam.
There you go. And I want you to tell us what you're tasting and try to guess what the flavor is.
I don't know if I like Weldon hosting these.
I'm not doing anything.
It just makes me feel like something's wrong. Why does this smell like Home Depot or something?
You got it. We made hardware jerky. I kind of see what you're talking about, but I
Kind
hate
of smells
that.
like the.
Keon, we need a professional. We need.
worked
I was just-
years.
It smell
We
like
need a
your
Home
old-
Depot professional to smell it.
It doesn't smell like Home Depot, but that piece smells like chemicals.
You're gonna do the,
Just like scrapes it with my teeth.
You're gonna do the thing where it's just like nom nom. I've never seen people more scared to eat food in my life.
What the f- is this? I'm serious. What is it? Done wrong.
It's immoral jerky.
I don't even know if I think you should redo it. I think pass the baton.
Oh wow!
Wow. Give up on our passion.
professionals.
When I grew
Well-
up, I was like, I'm gonna be a professional jerker.
Maybe pick a different profession. Respectfully.
Respectfully, change your mind.
Okay. Taste that I'm getting. Cardboard. Smells. Ace Hardware. Home Depot. The texture. Soggy. Not like soft and tender. Soggy. So I wonder, does that have a lot of oil in it?
We didn't look at the ingredients.
Shocker. I think this maybe has too much oil or something, because to me it tastes like brisket, which sounds like it'd be good, and then put a bunch of oil on it and just let it sit and
Didn't cook it.
yeah, and then get all soggy. Would not recommend. Please don't send
Well,
this out to
you got it,
people.
Kate. We made soggy oil brisket jerky.
Can I ask, why didn't y'all do this in chicken?
Keon?
Stop the tape. Stop
Cut it all.
Thank you, Kate.
Thank you, Kate.
No problem. I'm gonna go throw this away now.
These losers don't see the vision.
Well, this was an absolute failure.
Call it a failure if you want. I'd say more for me. That was actually a real. Hold on. I actually just got a really strong Chick-fil-A sauce.
Okay, I don't think Doug will let us make another video making jerky.
It's growing on me a little. Like actually, it might be growing something inside of me as well. But we'll find out. I'm eating it also. I'll be like, it was so good we couldn't even keep it.
Yeah.
I'm taking one for the team.
All right, patient zero. Okay, so yo, make sure.
I don't think we could pay Doug enough money to try this.
I think Doug would fire us.
Everyone says this flavor's bad, but it's pretty good to me.
Sound drunk. Everybody says this flavor's bad.
Put a bottle in my hand.
It's TSA approved.
It's ATF certified. This jerky has not been illegally modified.
For legal reasons. Joke. Okay, so everybody hated this jerky. Me and Weldon are probably gonna have to retire. Me and Weldon are just gonna make insane batches of jerky.
That probably aren't edible.
Yes, not edible, probably shouldn't be consumed by humans,
Highly immoral.
but we're gonna make it. I don't know. Hey, put it in the comments. I'm telling you, put it in the comments. We'll make anything. I'll make anything.
I mean, as long as it's not illegal.
Yeah, as long as it's not illegal.
Even then, I'm willing to bend the
make it.
rules.
Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to see if we make your jerky next.
Until then, me and Keon, master jerky chefs, we're out. It's a couple hours later. They don't know this, but I'm taking all this. I'm gonna have so much meat in me tonight, boys.